Hey everybody, Kevin at Woodcraft here, and today we're checking out the Wood River Honing Guide. This is a fantastic little entry-level guide that won't break the bank. It can be used with both chisels and plane irons, anywhere from 1/16 inches wide to 2 5/8 inches wide. The self-centering guide glides along on a hardened steel roller, allowing you to get consistently sharp edges on your tools. You'll see that it has two sets of jaws. The top wider jaws are for your plane irons, and the lower, narrower jaws are for your chisels. There's a full set of instructions included with all the different measurements for the different angles, so I'm not going to cover everything, but I will give you an example. For our plane iron, if we want a 25-degree angle, it needs to extend 2 inches past the edge of the honing guide. So we'll clamp it in here lightly, and then we're going to use our combination square set at 2 inches to extend the blade, and then we'll tighten everything down. Now we're ready to take it over to the stones. If you'd like to pick up one of these honing guides or anything else you've seen in this video, head over to your local Woodcraft store or online to woodcraft.com.